Hello, welcome once again to Agutech. My professor challenged me to make the system complete by adding a miscellaneous session which will cater for luggage and parcel. And I've done it, so I'm here to show you how it works. The other time we generated tickets, so we can search for one of the tickets and see. So when we click on the search button, we'll enter the ticket number. So let's say GR dash 188 dash, let's say 24. Let's use the passenger number, let's say seat number 10. You see the system show you example of how the seat number should be. So when we click on OK, it says ticket information loaded successfully. And this is the ticket we have in the system. All right, so you can see to-do GPRTU, the seat number is here, the driver's name is here, that's Benson Akbanga. Okay, from loading from Accra to Ho, and the person who logged in to create a system name is here, the issue dates, the issue time, the QR code to check the system, everything is here. So that one, we finished with that one. So now, after you finish generating the last ticket, those with luggages or those with parcel or those with luggage will come with their tickets, and you use that, the miscellaneous side, to generate the luggage receipt for them. So let's clear this and click on the miscellaneous. This is the miscellaneous button. So we click on it and it opens the luggage section, and it's a multi-page. So you can see the passenger luggage details and then sender parcel details. So it's two. So let's do with the luggage first. So we have the ticket at to-do, the company name to go to-do GPRTU, and the passenger name we said what? Benson Abanga. All right, the telephone number of the passenger. In case the thing get missing, it can produce that section for us to use the number to show that really the thing belongs to him. So let's use a certain number, 0245567899. As we are typing, the system is telling us that the telephone number is supposed to be what? 10 digits. So it will be counting it over here for you. If you enter anything else, it will not go. So that's it here. Then the description of the item. Let's say a gallon of petrol. All right, a gallon of petrol. As we are typing, because the item description is the same thing here, the system will be filling this side too. Then the quantity, we say a gallon, so 1. And weight of the gallon, let's say 2 kg. As soon as you enter the 2, the system add a kg. The fee, let's say the fee the station is charging is, let's say 20 cedis. And the seat number the passenger brought. So the seat number, let's say GR dash 188 dash 24 slash 10. That was the ticket number. So as we type the seat number here, the system creates the barcode at this section. It's long, that's why some is hidden. All right. Then the destination is going to where? Who? After that, we select a receipt type. So we choose one, and we click generate receipt, and it will generate the receipt for the passenger. When you generate the receipt for the passenger, this section, the top section here, will be given to the passenger, and this mark here, that's where we will tear the ticket. So this section will be torn, and this side will be pasted on the item that is going with a car. So we use this side, we paste it to the item, or we stick it to the item, and this is the QR code. The QR code uses the driver's name and then the passenger's seat number. So in case something, the item gets missing, the passenger can use this section to trace his or her item. After that, we click on what? Save button here, and say data saved successfully, and then that's page 1 has been saved and then reset. Now let's go to the parcel section. When we get to the parcel section here, somebody can come to the station just to send some item to a friend. That person will not go with the car, so he's just sending the item to a friend. So when it happens like that, what we'll do is, the company name here is what? To do, then GPRTU. Okay. The sender's name, the person sending the item, let's say Kofi Emmanuel. Then the phone number of that sender, the person sending the item, let's say 024 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we type the number more than necessary, as soon as we move to the next section, the system will tell us that phone number must be exactly 10 digits. You enter 13 digits, so you need to go back and then do the correction. So this thing checks the number, and if the number is not up to, when you move to, it will tell you phone number must be exactly 10 digits. You entered 8 digits, it will tell you. So you need to enter the exact number. And if it is 10 digits, when you move, the system will allow you. The item description, let's say computer monitor. And because the down here is the same item description, as soon as we type here, it's replicate here. It duplicate the writings over here. So the date of sending, the system, it picks the system time. Quantity, let's say 2. Weight, let's say 4 kg. Car number, so the car that is sending the item, we put the car number there. That's GR-188-24. Okay. Then the fee they are charging the person, let's say 60 cedis. Then the receiver, who is receiving the item at the destination where the car is going. So let's say Efia Kwatin, and the phone number of Efia Kwatin is 0207553144. As we are entering the number, you could see up here is showing that it's supposed to be 10/10. So if the number is not up to 10, the system will tell us that it's 9, so you are left with 1. Okay, so that's it. After that, we select the slide number 2 for the parcel, then we click generate receipt. When the receipt comes, it has the same features like the luggage. This side will be turned off, and the down part here will be stick to the item, and this side will be given to the person who brought the item to be sent to the friend, so that in case the item gets missing, he can bring this section to demand for his parcel. And when he gets there, the driver too can call the owner of the item's number here, and the owner will come for it. The day sign and everything is here. So after we generate this, we click save, and then the system will save the details into the database. So in case there is any issue, we can search for the ticket we generated. Okay, we can also preview. So when we click all tickets and we click preview, it brings all the tickets we've generated. So these are all the tickets. Okay, these are all the tickets we generated in the system, and we can print the ticket by selecting a particular ticket we want to print. we use uncheck. You see all the tickets are checked, so meaning we can use print selection here, a print here. When we click print, it will bring us to select a printer. But since we don't have a printer attached to the system now, we will choose what? PDF. So when we choose PDF, when we click OK, the system will give us chance to save the ticket. So we can save our ticket. Okay, we can save the ticket. Let's say, let's give it a name. Receipts. Let's say receipt 22222. Okay, that's the name given, and it's going to be saved at the desktop. So we click save, then it will save the receipt for us into a PDF, and we'll print it. Okay, so it's saving all, it's converting all. So when it finishes saving, the system come back. We can also select a particular receipt we want to print, and then we click on print selected. We can also uncheck all, and then we select a particular one. We can export to PDF, we can export all to PDF, and then we can also export selected to PDF, meaning what will be selected. So when we finish, we click close, it brings us back here. If we want to search for a particular receipt from the database, let's say somebody's item gets missing and the person bring and want to search for that receipt, we just click on search, and it will bring this dialog box here that enter parcel number, and it has given us how the number should be entered. So let's take it up. This is a parcel number we want to enter. So I'm going to enter this parcel number. Let's say ER dash 167 dash 19 slash 53144. When I click OK, it should bring the parcel, the receipt here. You see, it has brought the receipt for us to see. Truly, is the receipt is in the database, and we can go back and then delete or print this receipt alone. We can print this receipt alone by using the thermal printer. So I'll click this one. It said printing, and then because we don't have the thermal printer, that's why this dialog box came for us to print it in the image form or picture form. But because we don't have the thermal printer, I'll cancel it, and then we can reset our page, and we can also delete a receipt. When we click on delete, it comes with how do you want to delete. If we click yes, it will delete everything from the database, and this is dangerous. It will clear the receipts from the database. It will clear all the text on the database, so you will not get anything again. So picking this yes selection, you need to be careful. And then if you want to delete a particular receipt, we can click no to delete a specific. So when you click no, it will ask you enter sender's name. When you enter the sender's name, let's say the sender's name is Kofi Akpalu. When you click OK, you say enter parcel number. So the parcel number of that Kofi Akpalu, let's say ER dash 167 dash 19 / 531. It uses the last 5 digits of the sender's phone number and the car number to create the parcel number. That's what it uses. So after that, you click OK, and it says successfully deleted one record and associated image. So the record from the database and the image, it will take everything off, and then that's all. So if you go and search for that information right now, you will not get it. So that's how the system works. after you finish, you click come back, because if you are the miscellaneous there and you click here, it will tell you, please use the back button to go back. We can't close the system like that. So you go back and you come here, you say exit. When you click exit here, you say choose what to do next. Yes, save and return to home. No, save and open the ticket database. Cancel to stay on. So we will click yes here. And when we click yes, no, and return to database, it will bring us to database here. And when we click here, we can launch again. We can hide the database, and then we exit. We say yes, and it save everything, bring us here, and then we say log out. So when we click log out, the system asks, do you want to save all changes before logging out? We say yes, then it logs out totally. So this is how the system works. Thank you for watching.